to another episode of Sunday Funday, where we review our Fidelity Health Savings Account. In today's video, we're going to review our purchases and our dividends received. If you're wondering about the deposits, we did not make any deposits because we were able to fully fund our health savings account on January 14th. We were able to fully fund our health savings account on January 14th. Purchases go, we were able to add 1 1/3 share of QYLD with our dividend money. And we also added 0.08 shares of VOO, but that was technically in June, so that'll be in the next video. So far, I'm pretty excited about this health savings account because the goal for this was to make more money than the interest was paying in my bank health savings account. And so far, we've got a total unrealized gains of $877.68 with a total return of 16.9, basically almost 17%. And we've received a total of $184.53. I think in my bank savings account, I think I've made $2 this year so far. And there's more money. There's twice as much money in my health savings account that's in the bank than in this account. Other than buying QYLD at a high price, I believe I put a big chunk of money into QYLD when it was like $23. That was kind of dumb looking back at it now. But the good thing is I'll be making $31 or $30 or so every month just in dividend money, and hopefully I can dollar cost average that down. And regardless, eventually here in a couple months, I'll end up having a positive number over here for the total return. And then I can take my QYLD money and buy the Vanguard Index Fund, VOO. But all in all, as you can see, some of these purchases I made right in the beginning, this was the first purchase I made. We're up almost 90%. And then the Franklin Resource, we're up 76%. We did sell People's United, which we still would have been up quite a bit, but they were merging with another company and we didn't want nothing to do with that, so we got out of that. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with this account also. I mean, we're working with small amounts of money, so I mean, it's not super exciting or anything. And we're in fairly safe stocks and ETFs, so it's not a whole lot of crazy volatility anyways. The neat thing is eventually we'll be getting to the point where we're making $445 just in dividend income in this account, which is absolutely blowing the doors off the bank health savings account. So hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, this is Sunday Funday, where we review our Webull dividend portfolio, our M1 Roth IRA portfolio, our Fidelity Health Savings account, and our growth portfolio within M1 Finance. Together, we're starting to get up there. We've got about $31,000 invested, and we've collected a total of $919 worth of dividends. We have been trying to keep most of our money within the tax advantage accounts here. So all the white ones are the health savings account and the Roth IRA, where we won't pay any taxes on that. The good news is we're almost fully funded in our Roth IRA, so we will be able to start putting more money into the Webull dividend portfolio. If you guys want to watch more investing videos, make sure you check out those links on the screen or the ones in the sidebar. Thanks for watching.